I'm turned up in the sky, yeah. You can't bring me down. You can't bring me down. No, you can't bring me down. I turn up. You can't turn me down. No, you won't leave me down. No, you won't see me down. I'm high up in the
What's up, Roddy family? It's your girl Majestie, and I'm back with another video. And today I have my niecey Pooh with me. Say hi. Okay, so today we're gonna do a box opening.
Y'all, excuse me for the lighting. I really need to invest another ring light, and I think I will eventually. That's as bright as we can get it. Alright, so you already said what we're doing today?
Yup.
And what are we doing?
A box opening.
So, a company sent me this nice artifact, not an artifact, nice product, okay? And it can become very useful. And I will just say that I will need to invest in a second ring light to actually use this the way I would like to use it. So, let's get started.
Yep, cut my fingers.
I'm trying to get it off the way.
Whoa. Oh, forgot to tell them something. Make sure you like, subscribe.
Before we get any further into this video.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
You gonna say it? Before we get any further to this video, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias. And turn your post notifications on to be notified every time I upload a video. Let's continue.
Ooh,
Wish I had
at the
more
end,
lights.
and upload to my next video.
Alright, put it down.
Put what down?
Can you do it?
Get scared. Yeah.
We should have started from right here.
Yeah. Yay. It's okay. We can get it from right here. Titi, look at all these rock pliers.
They're not technically wall pliers, but
I mean, hold. They took
clamps.
They
They're clamps.
yeah.
So,
There you go.
have you figured out what it is yet? Probably not. This was made by JCLOUD.
JCLOUD. Oh.
No. Is it gonna work there? There it goes. Excuse me, baby.
JCLOUD.
Nope.
It's upside down.
I know, but see the way you gotta read it on camera. There you go. JCLOUD.
I would be up there if y'all couldn't see. I couldn't read.
So it's a projector. It's not a projector.
Oh, okay. You said it was a projector.
Well, we could use it as a projector. We know we might use it as a projector, but it does still have to have enough light, to use it as a projector.
Well, put it how you put that so bright, where I have to cover my eye.
All right. I need what you have in your hand, and I need those clamps. All right. So we're gonna set it up first. Well, let's leave it over there. We're gonna leave it over there.
Can I help you?
You will. You are.
Can you bring the clamps?
Not yet. We're gonna wait. Because we gotta see how to set this up. I ain't never did. Alright.
Okay.
Y'all, that's so crazy. I really... Y'all wanna know something? It's so get the box. Get the box.
There's another one?
Y'all, I really already have one. Look. But I told them I'll take this. Cause I won't eventually need it. This is so dark. I'm so sorry, y'all. I think that's what's right. Come on.
Oh, I got my little sunburn.
Alright, y'all. It's hard. It's still hard.
I can't believe you had another one.
I know, right? Well, I can't. Alright. Take this out. Pass another one.
Another one. Here you go. Oh, you got the little
Okay, pull that out and I'll pull this other one out.
Why do we have a rubber band on it?
Make sure it's okay.
But the rubber band is out there. But this one
Dang,
is
really, we should have started off with this one. This is so much harder.
Why my face looks so white?
Okay, so it only comes with 3 stands. Okay. We gonna have to figure this out. I'm glad I got this on the infinite battery.
As y'all can
What are you doing?
that's what it looks like. I like when you go up and then after the back be so glorious.
Do we got it focused on us?
Yes.
We do. Okay, cool. That's good.
Oh, what are these called again? Clamps. Look at these little clamps. Y'all can see. They gave us so many. Oh my God. What is this? This was sideways.
Oh, that's okay.
Look. What's just gonna have to be sideways?
Another one.
A clamp? Oh, good. How tall is this inside a bee? It's pretty everything.
Oh, these are poles. Okay,
How about
okay.
the red?
That's why you got rubber bands on them. Because they got to stick together.
Okay.
Hold it.
And do not drop them, baby. I'm gonna kill it. So how do are these all like the same? Or if I set them down, would they get mixed up? What do you guys? If I set them down?
Y'all, it happens is the fruit.
TT!
Ah, my bad.
Look at this.
Put them grape stuff.
We have to blow her out. TT.
Oh, pick it up. Where's that? Come here. Come screw it on here. Yeah.
I see how y'all girls use these long old nails. Look. Let me put these down. Oh, I like some. What's up to my audio? Listen to my audio. What's going on? What's going on? Listen to my audio. Listen to my audio. What's going on? What's going on? This one not like that. Listen to my audio.
It's not. Well, make sure they're the same and space them out.
Oh, they just. Let me see. That's one taller than that.
Well, now look. Now you gotta stay in the camera frame. You took the stuff all the way over here.
I know. See, do they?
You know.
They a little taller.
I know. Well, you gotta fix it. All right. Take it back over there to the camera. So you can see what you're doing.
Tell me if this looks right. Like, I just don't feel like it.
Okay. So I think these may be the pads that the clump's going. I don't know. I'll figure it out. What is this? Alright, baby, so now it's up to us to figure out.
Hey, Judy, they should have gave us some instructions.
You are definitely right. What is this? Oh, these are the
Screws.
we're gonna have to look at the pictures. I want us to figure it out. Okay, so first thing first, you got these 2 cups.
Okay.
Spread them out. No.
Oh.
They're too close to one another.
Oh. Wait.
That is too far apart.
Why they gotta be close? they too close. See?
This is all.
Now they too far.
They supposed to be far.
Why?
Cause they are. Alright, so
TT, I know what this is. This is a background or something. I just realized because Princess got this. I wonder why they gotta be so far. But how's this gonna be a generator?
a generator.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, okay, I got it. Hold this.
I want to do the other one. Perfect. Yes, please.
Let me see something. There you go. Alright.
I'm so sorry.
Why
do I always say sorry? Look, y'all. All them girls out there will have their nails this long. Bruh, how do y'all do that? That's too tall.
It is too
We
tall.
need to put this down.
Bailey, how you supposed to set it up?
Hmm?
How you supposed to set it up?
What?
Y'all might have to come back. I don't know.
TC, you can crack this already. I cannot do this. I'm gonna have to lay out before that. Okay, that's as far as that goes.
So, wait, is this just one? No, this is just one. This was supposed to be. Wait, what is the other piece?
Granny, you
Oh,
already put it on.
so
I'm over here calling Granny.
all right, y'all, you gonna?
Okay, guys.
Here goes the backdrop. Oh my God!
Oh my God! Backdrop. Do not want
Be
to show the
careful what you
address.
show.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I just said I do not want to show the address. Tiki, be careful what you show.
It's down here towards me. Why she play so much?
I'm doing it.
Oh, pull it out.
Titi, you were supposed to put this on there before you did that. Titi, you were supposed to put this on there before you did that.
No, we gotta put the clamps on there. How we? No, we gotta get. Supposed to put clamps on there first. I'm just letting you unwrap. I'm just letting you open it.
It smells like that.
I'm over it. I think I wish I had.
Can we
tape
open?
on. Well, like you said, we gotta put the clamps up there.
First, then after we get to open it, God, this is a surprise. I can't wait to open it. I can tell what it is.
Oh, yeah, I already told you. Oh, what it say?
No, what it looks like. What is that? What you supposed to do with that?
I don't know, but you know we don't. Oh.
That even should have been some substance. Give us some instructions.
How many is there? 3 of them.
3. Alright.
No, there's 4.
What are you about to do?
So.
Here.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, so nope. Okay, so nope.
Oh, that's what you do?
I think.
TT.
Huh?
Did you look good enough in that box? Or that bag, see if they gave us some instructions.
Yeah.
We are definitely not doing good. TT, what are you doing?
Bro, you couldn't figure this out. Goodness gracious, it takes strength to actually use this one.
I got it, baby.
Cause see,
TT,
huh?
like this, you can do this.
See how strong you gotta keep open that?
Where are we supposed to connect it?
I don't know, I'm trying to see.
TT, just open it.
Don't worry about it right now, because we gotta hook this up. Alright, excuse me, y'all. Babe.
How are you supposed to do this? God.
Oh, you know what we could just do? We didn't even have to do that, baby. No, we could have just slid the what's that? We could have just slid the backdrop on there.
Yeah, that's what I told you. I said you wasn't supposed to put that on there.
Well, nobody said I was supposed to put it on there.
Well, it's time to open the backdrop, right?
Hey guys, welcome to
I can't wait till y'all get to see. TT, can we open it? I didn't show them already.
You showed it.
No, I
I want
didn't.
you to get back in the camera.
Is it time to open it? Bink. Sneak peek. Sneak peek. Woo! Turn right around. Sneak peek. Peek. My gosh.
Alright, so let's get these clamps. Hey, you already showed them what it was?
If y'all do not remember, this is what clamps look like. You know, my stomach hurt.
Dun, 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 dun.
No. This is my part. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Na, na, na. One, two, three. Help me.
Oh, I thought it was your part.
Talking about opening it. What you talking about? I don't want to rip it. Why do it smell like the library?
It smells like vinegar. Oh, it's gonna be a simple snatch and go.
Titty.
Oh no, there we go. Cause supposed to say love fall. Is the L right?
I don't know. This stuff
Does
is
it
a
say
cursor. I don't know. This is a cursor.
It's right. Okay.
It's upside down. See, I can tell.
No. Oh, it is. Okay.
Told you. I'm the smartest in here. I'm just kidding.
So, wait.
How are you supposed to put it on there? There ain't no hole to get it in there.
Let's see. All right, so we gotta turn around.
TT, I just figured something out.
What we gonna do with that? Well, that's not necessarily supposed to be it. So that ain't gonna work necessarily. Well, it can, but see how it's not doing what it's supposed to do.
Cause the other side is doing.
So
TT, this needs to be more wider. TT, this needs to, they gave us this second ball. This needs to be wider.
what we gonna do? Okay, it do.
We can put them pieces on the end
But-
and make that one. But you want your stuff to be straight though. But
Let me see. Okay, so we were supposed to put
then we're
these
gonna have
poles.
to, we're supposed to put those first. Why would they know this? See, now everything, all I'm saying, we are moved on. Now everything comes to my mind.
All right, y'all, we gonna be back, okay? Because
Yeah.
to get the setup right, and then y'all gonna see us put the fall backdrop on it.
It's gonna be,
So let us get this together. We'll see y'all soon.
okay, bye.
Hold on, let the camera.
Perfect. Perfect. I do my hair stuff. Oh.
I put my hand finally got it up there. So we didn't use these, which we're gonna figure out what these are meant for. That's what we'll have to do. But we used the clamps, and so let me show y'all what we did with the clamps. All right.
I don't know how they expect us to get that on, but
So what we did was that we kind of folded the backdrop, and then we put the clamps on top of the folded part, and they're holding up the backdrop. And there you go. Simple. We made it harder than what it was because we didn't know no better. But once you
make it wider.
What? Yeah, we made it wider, okay? Bailey made it wider. Bailey did it. So now I'm gonna start practicing taking pictures with this backdrop.
We taking pictures?
Yeah. So I'm gonna start practicing. Oh, this camera is lighting. I know what. See, this is what I gotta stop doing is putting on these things. Cause see, I think this one it makes the light go in and out. But at the same time, we can't be that close up on the camera. Bailey, ain't nobody told you to touch that light. Cause you need to touch the light. But yeah, anyway, and ta-da, voila! You can't see all of it, but it's up. Fall love.
Love fall.
And like I said, there go the clamps. That's how we set it up. And that's it. That's all. So
Love fall.
yes, you can extend your backdrop as far as you want to, but because the room does not have that much space, it's only so far we could extended it. But that's fine because it fits. It really still have more space over here, but that's just something we'll have to adjust ourselves. But alright guys, if this video helped you out, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and follow all my social media. Turn your post notifications on to be notified every time.
I already said that.
Well, we gonna say it again. For every time I upload a video. And watch out for pictures coming soon. Fall is around the corner. Or is it spring? Fall, my bad, fall. Fall is right around the corner. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, that's it guys. Catch your next video. Peace. Come on, baby. Peace.
Baby, yeah, I'm on a big screen. I stack, baby, yeah, I only like green. I'm turned up in the sky, yeah. You can't bring me down. You can't bring me down. No, you can't bring me down. I turn up. You can't turn me down. No, you won't leave me down. No, you won't see me down. I'm high up in the sky, yeah. You won't bring me down. No, you won't bring me down. No, you won't bring me down. I turn up, yeah. You won't turn me down. No, you won't see me down. Can't let them see you down.
They throw salt up on your name just to get a little fame. You can run my background, nigga. I came from some change. Stay down, remain the same. Then fold through the rain. I might be in that Jeep now, but I'm working on the range, yeah. Money keep calling. I switch up the